Just when you thought you'd seen it all with Zoom virtual backgrounds, now we've got Zoom virtual filters. In this video, you'll learn how to add virtual filters in Zoom, and we'll do that right now. Hey, what's up y'all? This is Brian White and welcome back to Video Zeus. On this channel, we make weekly tutorials to help you spend less time making more videos. If that sounds like you, then smash that subscribe button now. Now that you're accustomed to Zoom virtual backgrounds, here's one more thing to make it interesting. Zoom virtual filters. Virtual filters apply unique effects to your video through a variety of lenses directly on top of your Zoom video feed. These filters work independently from Zoom and do not require having the ability to use the virtual background option. Some of these filters can even be combined with virtual backgrounds to maximize the effect. Now, you may recognize some of these filters from Snapchat, Instagram, and Messenger, basically contorting or animating an effect over your video. And with the ability to integrate these directly into Zoom meetings, it just opens itself up for more creativity and a whole lot more fun during your group calls. Some of my favorite filters are the blurred background, the potato, and the cowboy. And there's certainly a lot of potential here. The application you need is called Snap Camera. It can be downloaded for desktop on Windows and Mac. Now, what Snap Camera does is it takes the form of a physical webcam and augments it with the selected filter called a lens. This augmented video is then output to the Snap Camera virtual webcam. Let me give you a quick demo of how to incorporate Snap Camera virtual filters into a Zoom meeting. Once inside Snap Camera, you should see the preview monitor displaying your webcam feed. You can sort through the featured lenses or search for new ones. Select the lens you want to use, then launch your Zoom application. It's important to note that you can use the filters from Snap Camera on Zoom without having a Zoom account and join meetings with those filters on. So once you're inside your Zoom meeting, click down into the video arrow and go to Video Settings. Click on the camera drop-down and you should see Snap Camera as an option. Select that and your filter will pop on screen. Now you can simultaneously switch lenses in Snap Camera, which takes instant effect inside Zoom. If your computer has a working virtual background option, you can combine the two. We can click down into the virtual background and select one of ours to go with our lens. Now we have the mix of the virtual filter with the virtual background. In this video up here, I'll walk you through proper setup and common troubleshooting issues when working with Snap Camera. And if you haven't already downloaded my Before You Shoot guide, please follow the link in the show notes below. The guide will prove as a useful resource for each and every one of your video creations. Once again, thanks for watching Video Zeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos.